The next configuration is creating the GL accounts and linking to asset account determination. To perform the asset accounting related to business transactions in SAP, we need to create 7 GL accounts. In that 7 GL accounts, first is asset account, which is a reconciliation account under assets account group. And then comes accumulated depreciation account, which is also a reconciliation account but under the liability account group. Yes, accumulated depreciation account is also a reconciliation account but under the liability account group. Then comes sales of asset account, which comes under the income account group. And then comes profit on sales account under the income account group. Then comes loss on sales account, that is under the expenses account group. Another one, that is loss due to scrap of asset account, which comes under the expenses account group. And finally, it is depreciation account, which comes under the expenses account group. So guys, let's start with creating the asset account. I'll use the menu path for the GL account creation, that is from SAP Easy Access. It is accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, and finally I will double click on this centrally. When I double click on the centrally, the system will navigate us to the new window. Since the vehicle is an asset, I'll copy from one of the existing asset account. We also know that vehicle account will be an reconciliation account. So, I'll copy from the existing reconciliation account under assets. For that, I'll just right click on the account receivable GL account, which is under assets, and then I'll select copy. Here, enter the new GL account number and just hit enter. And here I'll make sure that it is a balance sheet account. After that, change the description text to vehicles. And then click on the control data tab. Here we have to make sure that the checkbox only balances in local currency is not ticked. Here for the recon account type, I'll change to assets. And please make sure that checkmark open item management is not ticked, wherein line item display is checked. Now for the sort key, this time I will use 018, that is asset number, and then I'll click on create bank interest tab. When I click on this, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here, please make sure that the field status group G067 is assigned, that is reconciliation account, and none of the other checkboxes are ticked in this tab. So everything is looking fine. Now to save the changes, what I'll do is, I'll now click on the save button. Yes, now the vehicles asset account is created. What is done? The vehicles asset account is created. Next, we need to create the accumulated depreciation account, which is also a reconciliation account, but under the liability account group. So, this time I will copy from the existing recon account. For that, I'll just right click on the account payable GL under the liabilities account group and then I'll select copy. After that, I'll enter the new GL account number here and I press enter. And please make sure that it is balance sheet account. Okay, after that, change the description text to accumulated depreciation and then we'll click on this control data tab. After that, we will verify the fields, that is, the checkbox only balances in local currency is not ticked. For the recon account type, I'll change to assets. After that, I'll make sure that open item management is not ticked, wherein the line item display is ticked. For the sort key, this time I will use 018, that is asset number. And after verifying the fields in the tab, now I'll click on create bank or interest tab. Here, please make sure that the field status group G067 is assigned, that is reconciliation account, and none of the other checkboxes are ticked in this tab. So, I'll now just click on the save button, so that the accumulated depreciation account is created. Next is creating the sale of asset account under income. For that, I'll just copy from the existing income account. For that, what I'll do is I'll just right click on the commission received account under the income and select copy. And then I'll enter the new GL account number here and I'll hit enter. This time it is profit and loss account. And then I'll change the description text to asset sales. Now I'll just click on the control data tab and I'll verify the fields. Here we have to make sure that the checkbox only balances in local currency is checked, wherein open item management is not checked, as well as the line item display should be checked. So I'll leave the remaining settings as it is, and now I'll click on this create bank interest tab. And for the field status group, we need to assign G052, that is accounts for fixed asset requirement. As we know already, field status group manages the fields during the GL posting. Hence, we are assigning the field status group as G052. So, to save the changes, I'll now click on the Save button. Asset sales account is created. If I sell an asset, it might be either profit or loss. Hence, we need to create two more accounts, that is profit on asset sales and loss on asset sales. For that, what I'll do is I'll just right click on the asset sales account which we just created under the income account group, and then I'll click on copy. And now enter the new GL account number here and just hit enter. After that, change the description text to profit on asset sales. Now I'll just click on this control data tab to verify the fields in this tab. And here, please make sure that the checkbox only balances in local currency is checked. Along with that, you have to check two more fields, that is open item management and the line item display. Here, the open item management should not be checked, wherein the line item display should be checked. I'll click on this create bank interest tab. Here for the field status group, we need to assign G001 because this is a normal profit on sales account. Now I'll just click on the save button. So now the profit on asset sales account is created. Next comes loss on sale of asset. What it is? Loss on sale of asset. For that, what I'll do is I'll just right click on the rent account under the expenses and click on copy. And then enter the new GL account number here and just press enter. After that, we have to change the description text. For that, I'll change the description text to loss on asset sales. And then I'll click on this control data tab. So what I'll do, I'll just verify the fields. That is, the checkbox for only balances in local currency is checked, open item management is not checked, and the line item display is checked. Everything is fine. So I'll leave the remaining settings as it is, and then I'll click on this create bank or interest tab. And here for the field status group, we need to assign G001 and make sure that none of the checkboxes are ticked in this tab. After that, click on the save button. Okay. Now the loss on asset sales account is created. Yes, the loss on asset sales account is created. The next GL we need to create is loss due to scrap. What is that? Loss due to scrap, which will be under expenses. For that, what I'll do, right click on the loss on asset sales account, which is under expenses, which we just created, and then click on copy. After that, enter the new GL account number here and press enter. And then change the description text to loss due to scrap. What you have to do, you have to change the description text to loss due to scrap. Since we are copying from the loss on asset sales, all the remaining fields will be same. So what I'll do, I'll just directly go and save it. For that, I'll just click on the save button. Now, the loss due to scrap account is created. At last, we have the depreciation account, which will be under expenses. Now what we have to do, we have to just right click on loss due to scrap account under expenses, which we just created, and then click on copy. Here, enter the new GL account number and press enter. Here, I'll be changing the description text to depreciation account. Since we are copying from loss due to scrap account, all the remaining fields will be same. So I can directly save it. For that, I'll just click on the save button. Now, the depreciation account is created. So, we have now created all our required GL accounts related to asset accounting. So, the next configuration is assigning these GL accounts for automatic posting via account determination. For that, what I'll do, I'll just enter the T code /SPRO in the command field and I hit enter. Now, I'll click on this SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, asset accounting, and then I'll click on this integration with general ledger accounting, and then I'll click on this assign GL accounts. Or else you can always use the T code, that is A090. So what is the T code which you can use for assigning the GL accounts? It is A090. Sometimes the system may ask for the chart of depreciation if you have logged out. Since I am doing in the same session, the system took this automatically. Okay? Yes. Now in this screen, select the chart of accounts and double click on account determination on the left side of the screen. Now here, I'll click on the position button and enter the account determination ABCCV and I hit enter. Here, I'll select the account determination ABCCV and double click on the balance sheet account on the left side of the screen. When I do that, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here, the first heading is acquisition account assignment. The first field we have is acquisition and the production cost. For this field, what we have to do is we need to assign our asset, that is vehicles account. So I'll assign the vehicles GL account using the drop down. The next heading we have is asset retirement account assignment. What is that? Asset retirement account assignment. The first field we have here is loss made on asset retirement without revenue. This is nothing but the asset retirement due to scrap, where we are retiring the asset without revenue. So what we have to do? We need to assign the loss due to scrap GL account. I'll do it using the drop down. Next we have the field as clearing account revenue from asset sale. This means we need to assign the asset sales account. Actually, this acts as the clearing accounting during the asset sale transaction. And then we assign the profit on asset sales account to gain from the asset sale field. What we will do? We will assign the profit on asset sales account to gain from asset sales field. And then we assign the loss on asset sales account to loss from asset sale field. After this assignment of the GL accounts to individual fields, like I mentioned, just click on the save button. Now, what you have to do is you have to just double click on this depreciation on the left side of the screen. When we do this, the system will navigate us to the new window. Now here for the first field, that is accumulated depreciation for ordinary depreciation, we need to select the accumulated depreciation GL account which is being created under the liabilities. And then for the second field, that is expense account for ordinary depreciation, we will assign the regular depreciation account which has been created under the expenses account group. Got it? Now to save the changes, I'll click on this save button. So guys, by completing this transaction, we will make the system to select the proper GL accounts for asset accounting related transactions automatically. Got it? Great.